Unit number 2, information system. What is information system means the information about the information, how information is important in decisions making. Without having a proper information, will you take a quality decisions? No. How information is important, what are the components of it, how it is helpful to the organizations, everything is important. So information is a set of interrelated components, means data, software, hardware, feedback, database, everything is included in the information. Then only will get to know about your decisions making. Okay, not only information is nothing but how much you are getting the information. It is infinite. Information is infinite. How much is needed, that is the quality of the information. Okay, processed data. Okay, so information contains the information about significant people, places, things, organizations, whatever it might be, we'll get to know the information about that, right? So how it is input? See here that flow chart. First input is nothing but raw data. Okay, it will give processed whatever is need to our organizations, that is processed. Then after getting the processing, then it will storage. It will store in the database, right? After storing in the database, it will give the final output. Then that we can get to know about the decisions. We will get to know about the decisions, whatever we need to do. Okay, this is the functions of information system. These are the functions. The flow chart you need to remember it, na? Role, how, what are this role means, why this information system is important means it will support to the business, right? Backside your eye. So it supports to the business. Whatever the activities you are performing in the business, for that this information is important. Okay, it supports the business organizations also, means whatever the flexibility of their organization, at what time what they need to do. Okay, what's their daily schedule will be do. Today target is what, monthly targets, yearly targets, they'll keep, no, that is thing. Next, it supports decisions making. When information is having, definitely it supports the decision making only, no. Next, it supports the organizations. Why it is supported to the organizations? To make the strategic planning. Okay, what are the things we need to do in the upcoming things? For that also information to the organization is a important role. Okay, components of information system. What are the components you are having? Means hardware. Where this hardware is nothing but devices, hardware devices which is shown by eyes, which we can see, like monitor, processor, printer. This all we can see, no. What it will do, it will input the process, whatever the data we are giving, it will store the data, no. Hardware. Software is nothing but systems, the processed data whatever you are having, including programs. Okay, programs will have, no, through that programs we can store the data. Next, what you are having, database. After getting to the hardware and software using, the data is stored in the database. What it will, database will do, it will store the data and it will show whenever we want the things. Okay, and next one you are having procedures. Procedure means nothing but how you need to be performed, at what time, how you need to be performed. It will give the brief process about your organizations. Okay, next, people. People is nothing about the, and there are possibly factors, means taking the opinions also is important, no. See, whatever the information I am having, that is okay, but taking the information, taking the opinions of the organization people also is important, no. Okay, next, feedback. Taking the feedback. These are the 6 components of the information system. This is also you can represent it in the flow chart. And next you are having DSS, that is decision support system. Why this decision support system is important means, to make a quality of the decisions, this information will be helpful. Okay, what this decision support system will do means, it will, whatever the decisions you are taking in an organization, it will support at what time what decisions you need to take, how it will be going to work in an organization, how much targets you will finish through that DSS. Okay, so this DSS is also very much important question. What it will do, whatever the problems, business problems you are having, it will give the optimum solution to clear your business problems. Okay, it will set various decisions. See here in the, which point, 1 2 3 4 5th point you see, Fourth point. It is intended to improve accuracy, timelines, quality and effectiveness of a specified decisions. Means whatever the decisions you are making, it should be made for the accuracy. Accuracy is nothing but it should be in an output. Whatever you are expecting, it should come in an output only, no? That is DSS. Next, that's it. DSS advantages and disadvantages. Disadvantages is nothing but it is time consuming. Sometimes, most of the times, it will not be an accurate decisions making, right? This type of all things will become some disadvantages. What is advantages? Through decisions making, we can give the solutions to our business problems. It will help to analyze the organization structure to improve in a better way. Just 2 to 3 side headings you need to remember by your own, and you need to elaborate it. Okay, so this is the second unit. Information system is important.